from Chartmat, and in this part of the tutorial we're actually going to set up the view for our practice program. So we've already prepared the view in Google Sheets. Now we can just create it through a Markdown block. So we go to driving range, refresh, the background can be white, and here we can actually now write the way we want it in the Markdown. So you can usually use Chartmat template to get some inspiration. I've already prepared a div for border, so you can have like a div with a style of the border, 2 pixel, and the style solid, and the border color black, padding 30. Let's finish that div. So we have like a border around it, and then we can have a heading with an H1 tag. So this would be the driving range. So let's insert an HR tag to have like some distance. Then the next thing would be like we would want to highlight the location. It can be an H4 tag, the location, and now we access the variable. So we simply place it here. The location would be driving range. It's renders the data from the Google spreadsheet. We close this H4 tag, and we have another HR tag. And then we would want to have the description, maybe in a paragraph. So the description. Now we can access the variable, and it shows us the description. And last but not least, we would want to have the video, which in our case is not going to be a video, it's actually going to be an image. If you want to know how to embed an image in Chartmat and you don't know it already, you can just Google it, embed image Chartmat, and you will find the article in our help section. So it's as easy as that. We need to update that source. We have the information stored for the image URL under the video tag. Oh, sorry. That actually needs to be placed like this. Yep. And we'll load the image. We could adjust the height and also the width, but we're not going to do this now. What we want to do is like make this full screen. Or maybe not. I mean, we could have several exercises for that user under this section. But what is happening right here is that it shows me like the exercise of the other users, and this we can avoid with the current user filter. So the current user filter will actually be the topic of the next tutorial video.